अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, मैं हूं यम्मे वाजिद। 7H न्यूज़ में आपका खैर मकदम है। GES समिट में आज इवांका ने खिताब करते हुए ख़वातीन को खुद मुक्तफ़ी बनाने और उनके हुकूक़ को उन तक पहुँचाने पर तबसरा किया है।
We come together to celebrate what is happening here in India, what is happening in the United States and all over the world. Entrepreneurs are revolutionizing our economies and improving our societies. You are rewriting the rules. You have the inspiration and drive to serve our communities through the projects you start and the businesses you build. You have the grit, the perseverance, and the will to succeed. Each of you started with an idea. You've worked long days and nights to code the next robot, create the next app, find the next cure, and discover the next breakthrough to improve the lives of millions of people. Some may have tried to convince you that the risks are too great, the rewards too small. But you are here today because you are not afraid to fail. You want to own your future. So I want to congratulate you on all that you have already accomplished. And I especially want to congratulate the women entrepreneurs here with us today. Thank you. This year's summit is focused on a theme that is key to our future: women first, prosperity for all. I'm proud to say that for the first time ever, women make up the majority of the 1,500 entrepreneurs selected to attend this summit. I see all of you out there. Only when women are empowered to thrive will our families, our economies, and our societies reach their full.
दोस्तों, अब आप रहिए हर वक्त तैयार,
क्योंकि हम आपके लिए लाते हैं ताज़ा तरीन खबरों का अंबार।
चाहे घर हो, बस हो या रेल,
हम करेंगे आपको अपडेट एवरीवेयर।
तो लाइक कीजिए,
शेयर कीजिए
और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।
7H न्यूज़, आपकी आवाज़।